India and the United States reviewed progress on the long-pending bilateral trade agreement on Wednesday as officials from both sides met in New Delhi for a fresh round of negotiations. The two-day talks, set to conclude on December 11th, aim to resolve differences and move towards a mutually beneficial trade pact that could transform one of India's most important economic relationships. On day one, Commerce Secretary Rajesh Agarwal met U.S. Deputy Trade Representative Rick Switzer, with both sides exchanging views on tariff concerns, market access, and the broader state of India-U.S. economic ties. Indian industry is hoping for relief as the U.S. remains India's largest trading partner, accounting for 18% of India's total exports. Exporters say the high duties are hurting shipments even as they try to diversify to other markets. Meanwhile, the United States is calling India's latest trade proposals some of the best offers Washington has ever received. A top U.S. trade official, Jamieson Greer, told the Senate that India has come to the table with unusually strong proposals as the two sides open a fresh round of talks in New Delhi. Greer admitted India is still holding a firm line on sensitive items, especially meat, dairy, and certain crops, to protect domestic farmers and food security. He also said India is participating very actively and is now seen as a key alternative market for U.S. producers at a time when global grain stocks are rising. He also said that India is a tough nut to crack, but negotiations are progressing well. Remember, the U.S. initially proposed a 25% duty, citing $46 billion trade deficit in the year 2024-25, followed by another 25% penalty for India's purchase of Russian crude oil. India has made it clear that resolving these tariffs is essential for signing the first phase of the bilateral trade deal. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal, speaking in Jaipur, said talks are continuously progressing and that India is moving forward toward a bilateral agreement. This is the second visit by U.S. officials since the tariff hikes, the last round in September. Negotiations are happening on two parallel tracks. First, a framework deal to address tariff barriers, and then a more comprehensive trade pact. Leaders of both countries had set a goal to conclude the first tranche by fall of 2025. But so far, despite 6 rounds of talks that have taken place, the trade deal is still some distance away. Listen in to what Piyush Goyal said.
United States of America की टीम मंगलवार से भारत में है और उनके साथ बातचीत निरंतर प्रगति कर रही है। बायलैटरल ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट की तरफ हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।